Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the AM Silver Bullet for Thursday, December 7th on NQ. So before we get started here, let's just see. You should look at this. We are very bullish, right? We've just kind of been going up all day, right? Okay, so let's look at this. Let's stop that. Okay, so let's get started here. Let's see what we got here first. Okay, so if we're trying to go higher, this would be our first target, right? Because if we turn on our kill zones here, let's go Asia, London, kill zone. Let's turn on PM session. Let's see where everything's at. It's like this. Okay, so PM buy side's been taken, so sell side's actually taken. Asia has been taken. London high has been taken. London low is still intact, and the kill zone's intact. All right, so we got Asia's gone. London low is still available, so take off the high. Both kill zones are good, and PM buy side and sell side's been taken, so I'll take those off. Okay, and so that's previous day. Low has been taken. Previous week, I'm going to turn those off. Okay, so that's where we're at. Okay, there you go. All right, so before we get here, if we're going to go higher, I want us to mark out this order block right here. And I want to see that. Let's see, it's being respected, consequent encroachment. That's what I'm noticing right now as we start the 10 o'clock hour. So I want to see how this respects it. Obviously, we have quite a bit of distance here to go higher, quite a bit of distance to go lower, right? I just want to see how this reacts to this order block. I'm just really watching to see how it's being respected. Now, if you're looking at this and you're like, hey, live, you're like, it's respecting consequent encroachment, obviously respecting it, respect. It comes back in, I'd take a trade off that. All right, so we're going to buy one there. Why am I buying one there? Well, I'm going to put my stop here. I would have bought right here, and this would be going right below. Well, let's go 15. If I can get there, right there. Okay. We're just going to target this right here, 70 points. 71, 71, 71 points. Okay, so we're going to put stop loss right here. Profit target right here. All right. Why did I do that? Well, because we've been going higher, right? I don't need a market structure shift. It's obviously respecting this order block with, half a dozen times it's been respected. So I'll take my chance on that being respected. That wasn't going to go any lower than that. Order block's a pretty strong P array. Okay, look at that. Okay, I'm going to show you something. Truth be told, when I traded this live, this is the one that I missed. That's why I'm taking it in this to show, because when I make these videos, as I've told you guys before, I make these videos so I know when I backtest this later on through FX Replay, and you can get the information below in the description on how to save some money on FX Replay. I want to have how they should have traded this or could have traded this in through these videos. So when I go back and I replay this date in FX Replay, I want to see if I see the same things as I see as I'm showing you now. Okay. So I missed this trade this morning, or when I traded this day. But this is the trade that I actually took. This, I saw this as a breaker block. So low, high, lower low, traded through. When it trades into it, take your trade into this right here. That's how I took that trade. Got in right here. That's where I was where my trade was. This one. Let me take this first one off. It was this one. It's 27 points. That's all I got on this trade. Why did I take that trade? Because I was mad at myself because I missed this trade right here. I saw this being respected, and I saw this about here. I was like, man, I should have taken that trade. Totally should have taken that trade. And during these two candles here, it was somewhere in here. I left the room to go get some more coffee, and this is what happened. And I was back here when I came back, and I was kicking myself, saying I missed this trade. And then I saw this breaker, and it sounds like as soon as I could close the breaker, I'm putting a limit order. I did, and the very next candle hit me in, and this is the trade I took live. Missed this one. So in this video, I'm showing you both, but I'm just showing you to take the trade on this one. So let's put this position back on there. And there you go. Now let's see how the rest of the hour plays out. Just consolidating right after that. All right, let's take the two positions off. Okay. So when we came to the 10 o'clock hour, we saw that we were very much bullish from basically all day, right? So we marked out our order block, and price was respecting it, right? As it came back in, this is where we should have entered right here, or any of these really. It was being respected consequent encroachment of the order block. So, and actually it's not consequent encroachment, it's mean threshold. So I've been saying consequent encroachment. I've been wrong all video. It's actually the mean threshold. So it's mean threshold's holding of the order block. So we should have entered this trade at any of these points. So entered here, targeting the New York Killzone high. Okay. Truth be told, this is the trade I missed when I was trading live. Saw it after these two candles right here, and then I noticed there's could be a potential breaker right here. So as soon as it crossed through it, I put my limit order and got in right here for 27 handles. Still a good trading day. I'll take it every day, but this is the one that I missed. That was a clear setup with all this being respected. And we targeted the kill zone high and exited our trade, and then the price just kind of consolidates. Okay, so those are your two silver bullet entries for the AM silver bullet session on Thursday, December 7th, using the Kraken Silver Bullet Pro indicator.